Hello dear students, let us start with the exercise 1.3, part 2, chapter 1. Two cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that both the cards are drawn are of the same suit, of the same color. It means out of 52 cards, how many cards we have to select? 2 cards. So our n will be 52C2. Whatever will be the total and whatever is to be selected, that we have to write 52C2. Whenever it is said to drawn, select, that means first thing is to find our n. First thing is to find our n. Find the probability that both the cards drawn are of the same suit. Now, the first question is of the same suit. So, I have given the name, means it is given the name that event A equals to that event that the two cards are of the same suit. Same suit means it can be of 2 cards from spade also, or 2 cards from club, 2 cards from heart, 2 cards from diamond. We don't know किसमें से कौन सा है कार्ड, खाली इसमें दिया गया सेम सूट. सेम सूट मीन्स सेम डिज़ाइन सेम कलर, बट कौन सा हमको पता नहीं है. तो इट कैन बी फ्रॉम स्पेड ऑल्सो, क्लब ऑल्सो, हार्ट ऑल्सो और डायमंड ऑल्सो. ठीक है. तो हाउ टू सॉल्व इट? फर्स्ट वे टू फाइंड एम. एम इक्वल्स टू 4 टाइप्स ऑफ कार्ड्स वी आर हैविंग. 13 spade card, 13 club card, 13 heart card, 13 diamond card, 13. Okay, from each of them we have to select 2, 2, 2, 2. If it is said same, always remember we have to write plus, plus, plus. Same means always we have to write plus, plus, plus. It is not said confirmly that कि कौन सा कलर कौन सा डिज़ाइन होना चाहिए. तो इसलिए हम क्या करेंगे, सब में से 2 कार्ड सिलेक्ट करेंगे. ये all the 4s are same, that means 4, 13C2. If you want, you can solve like this also. Otherwise, you can individually solve in this way. 13 into 12 upon 2 into 1 plus 13 into 12 upon 2 into 1 plus 13 into 12 upon 2 into 1 plus 13 into 12 upon 2 into 1. Do the calculation, same answer you will be getting. So probability A equals to m upon n, which will be equals to 312 upon 1326. Do the calculation. Next question, of the same color. Okay, of the same color. So first give the name. Here it is given B. Even that 2 cards are of the same color. So in the cards we are having only 2 colors, either black or red. Okay, black cards again it is of 2 types. Red cards again of 2 types. So 13 plus 13, 20 cards of black color, 13 cards of red color. So we don't know कि कौन से में से कौन सा, सिर्फ बोला है सेम कलर. अगेन तो हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों कलर में से 2 कार्ड सिलेक्ट करेंगे. सेम मीन्स अगेन प्लस. तो यू कैन सॉल्व इट इंडिविजुअली और इन दिस वे. आंसर इज 650. सो प्रोबेबिलिटी बी इक्वल्स टू m upon n, that is 650 upon 1326. Do the calculation. 25 upon 51. 3 books of statistics and 4 books of mathematics are arranged on a shelf. 2 books are randomly selected from these books. Find the probability that both the books selected are of the same subject. Again, how many books of statistics? 3 books. How many books of mathematics? 4 books. That means total it became 7 books. Out of 7, how many books we have to select? 2. So our n will be 7C2. 7 into 6 upon 2 into 1. Now what we have to find? Find the probability that both the books selected are of the same subject. Same subject means again, from both the subject, first give the name, event A, B, C, whatever you want. Event that selected 2 books are of the same subject. 2 books of statistics, 2 books of mathematics. So m equals to, from both the subjects we have to select 2, 2. 3C2 plus 4C2. Calculation 9. So probability A equals to m upon n, which will be equals to 9 upon 21. Do the calculation. The answer is 3 upon 7. Next, one card is randomly drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that it is a spade card or S card. Neither spade nor S card. So we are having 4 types of cards. Okay, we are having 4 types of cards. Out of that it is said from 52 cards we have to select 1 card. So our n will be 52C1. Now what we have to find, it is spade card or S card. So first give the name to the spade card. A equals to event that the card drawn is spade card. So spade card, how many cards we are having? SA S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8, SI9, S10 till 10, SJ, SQ, SK. That means total how many card it became? 13. So out of 13 we have to select one card. So M equals to 13C1, which will be equals to 13. So probability A equals to M upon N, that is 13 upon 52. Ace card. B equals to event that the card drawn is ace card. Ace means Ekka card. So spade card will be Ekka, heart card will be ace card, diamond card will be ace card, club card will be ace card. So here we are having 4 cards of S. So M equals to 4C1, which will be equals to 4. So probability B equals to M upon N, which will be equals to 4 upon 52. Now I said already, whenever it is same, what we have to do? We have to do plus. Whenever it is given OR, that means we have to find probability A union B. Probability A union B. The formula for probability A union B is probability A plus probability B minus probability A intersection B. So what is the probability A? 13 upon 52. Probability B 4 upon 52. But we are not having probability A intersection B. So first we have to find probability A intersection B. A intersection B means दोनों में जो same होगा तभी SA, here also SA. Only one card is same. So what will be the intersection B? That will be 1 upon 52. So instead of probability intersection B, we will be writing 1 upon 52. Now the denominators are same, so we will be writing denominator only once. 13 plus 4 minus 1. 13 plus 4 minus 1. 13 plus 4 17. 17 minus 1 16 upon 52, which will be equals to 4 upon 30. Next, neither spade nor S. Here the spelling of neither is wrong. Neither spade nor S means first it was spade card or S card. Now it is saying neither spade nor S. That means हमने पहले पढ़ा हुआ, अगर इवेंट ए होता है किसी भी चीज़ का नाम और उसके अलावा कुछ फाइंड करना रहता तो हम कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड करते थे. तो हियर ऑल्सो वी हैव फाउंडेड प्रोबेबिलिटी ए यूनियन बी. अगर स्पेड या तो एस कार्ड है, स्पेड और एस कार्ड, दैट मीन्स वी विल बी फाइंडिंग ए यूनियन बी. नाइदर स्पेड नॉर एस मतलब स्पेड भी नहीं है, एस भी नहीं है. तो व्हाट वी विल बी फाइंडिंग? प्रोबेबिलिटी ए यूनियन बी द होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट. The formula for this is 1 minus probability A union B. So 1 minus probability A union B already we have found out 4 upon 13. That means 4 upon 13. Here the denominator is 13, but here the denominator is nothing given, so we will be writing 1. So we have to make the denominator same first. For making 13, we have to multiply it with 13 up. Denominator also 13, numerator also 13. Now the denominator became same, so we will be writing it as ones. And 13 minus 4, that is 13 minus 4, which will be 9 upon 13. Next, a number is selected from the natural number 1 to 100. Find the probability of the event that the selected number is a multiple of 3 or 5. That means a number means only one number. So our n will be 100C1, which will be equals to 100. Probability, what we have to find? The number selected is multiple of 3 or 5. First, A equals to, again here it is given in the question or means again what we have to find? Probability A union B. That means इसके लिए हमको क्या क्या चाहिए? Probability A, probability B and probability A intersection B. So give the multiple of 3 event A. 3 multiple means जो भी 3 के टेबल में 3, 6, 9, 12 till 99. So already I have explained earlier only whatever will be the last number, that means 99 divided by which multiple? 3. So what will be the M? 33 directly. So probability A equals to M upon N, that is 33 upon 100. Next is the multiple of 5. So here it is given the name B, multiple of 5 again. Last number is 100, that means 100 divided by 5, which will be equals to 20. So our M equals to 20. Probability B equals to M upon N, that is 20 upon 100. Okay. A intersection B. A intersection B. If the numbers is given as a multiple, so 3 5s are 15. Directly you can do. 15 के टेबल में जो आते हैं, that will be A intersection B. If it is given 2 or 3, तो 2 3s are 6. तो directly हम A intersection B क्या find करते हैं? 6. 3 5s are 15. So 15, 30, 75, 90. Again 90 divided by 15, which will be equals to 6. So our m equals to 6, probability A intersection B equals to 6 upon 100. Probability A 33 upon 100, probability B 20 upon 100. 33 upon 100, 20 upon 100. A probability A intersection B 6 upon 100. Again the denominators are same. So 100, 33 plus 20 minus 6, 47 upon 100. Two balanced dice are thrown simultaneously. So first space whatever, okay, total number will be 36. That the find the probability that the sum of numbers on two dice is a multiple of 2 or 3. So first give the name event A. Event A, it is a multiple of 2. That the find the probability that the sum of numbers on the dice is a multiple of 2. The sum means दोनों को प्लस करने के बाद वो क्या होना चाहिए, 2 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. ओके, तो नंबर डाइस का नंबर लास्ट कहाँ होता है, 12 तक होता है. दैट मीन्स 2 का मल्टीपल क्या होगा, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 और 12. तो ऐसे नंबर्स फाइंड कर लेना जिसका मल्टीपल क्या होना चाहिए, 2 होना, 2 के मल्टीपल्स होने चाहिए एंड नंबर को प्लस करके. क्यों, क्योंकि इसमें क्या बोला है, इवेंट दैट द सम ऑफ नंबर ऑन टू डाइस, मतलब दोनों नंबर को प्लस करने के बाद और 2 का मल्टीपल होना चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर. तो ये सारे नंबर्स है जो कि सैम्पल स्पेस में से निकाला है इन लोगों ने, यू कैन सी. तो m इक्वल्स टू 18, प्रोबेबिलिटी a इक्वल्स टू m अपॉन n, दैट इज 18 अपॉन 36. नेक्स्ट मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 मीन्स अगेन दोनों नंबर को प्लस करने के बाद वो 3 के टेबल में आना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स दोनों को प्लस करने के बाद क्या नंबर होना चाहिए, 3, 6, 9 और 12. तो कितने आउटकम्स हुए, 12. सो m इक्वल्स टू 12, दैट इज प्रोबेबिलिटी b इक्वल्स टू m अपॉन n, दैट इज 12 अपॉन 36. इन द क्वेश्चन अगेन इट इज़ गिवन और मीन्स क्या ढूंढना है हम लोगों को, प्रोबेबिलिटी a यूनियन b. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी a हमने ढूंढ लिया, प्रोबेबिलिटी b ऑल्सो वी हैव फाउंडेड. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू फाइंड प्रोबेबिलिटी a इंटरसेक्शन b. ना here you have made the sample space here also. So which numbers are same, okay, whichever numbers are same that will be the probability intersection B. So how many numbers are becoming same, 1, 5, that is 1, 5, 2, 4, that is 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, 6, 6. Total 6. So probability A intersection B equals to 6 upon 36. Again the denominators are same. Do the calculations. The probability that the price of potato rises in the vegetable market during festive days in 0.8 is. Here it will be is. Okay. The probability that the price of potatoes rises in the vegetable market during the festive day is 0.8. The probability that the price of onion rises is 0.7. The probability of rise in price of both potato and onion is 0.6. Find the probability of rise in price of at least one of the two, potato and onion. So vegetable, the price of potato, let's suppose it as a. The price of onions, let's suppose it as a B. So A intersection B means even that the price of potato and onion rise, both rises. Okay, दोनों साथ में rise हो रहे, that means A intersection B. So probability A equals to 0.8, probability B equals to 0.7, probability A intersection B equals to 0.6. Now what we have to find, at least one of the two. At least means दोनों में से कोई भी एक. At least means या तो एक या तो दोनों. Okay, at least one of the two means either one or two. So first find the probability A union B. All the three directly values are given to us, 0.8 plus 0.7 minus 0.6, which will be equals to 0.9. Two aircrafts drop bomb to destroy a bridge. The probability that a bomb dropped from the first aircraft hits the target is 0.9. First target 0.9, that means probability A equals to 0.9. And the probability that a bomb from the second aircraft second aircraft, that means probability B, 0.7. The probability of one bomb dropped from both the aircraft hitting the target is 0.63. बोथ द एयरक्राफ्ट मतलब दोनों ने साथ में मिलके एक टारगेट को हिट किया. साथ में मीन्स सेम जगह पर दोनों ने एक टारगेट को हिट किया. सो इट विल बिकम ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द ब्रिज इज डिस्ट्रॉयड. ब्रिज डिस्ट्रॉयड मीन्स पूरा ब्रिज ही डिस्ट्रॉय होगा. तो व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड प्रोबेबिलिटी ए यूनियन बी. अगेन ऑल द वैल्यूज आर गिवन. सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज एंड फाइंड द आंसर्स. नेक्स्ट, the probability that a teenager coming to a restaurant for dinner orders pizza is 0.63. Again, probability equals to 0.63. Ordering cold drink 0.54 will be probability B. The probability that the teenager order at least one out of pizza and cold drink is 0.88. At least one out of means it is the probability A union B value given, that is 0.80. Now what we have to find? Find the probability that the teenager coming for dinner on a certain day orders only one of the two items from the pizza and cold drink. Means या तो वो पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर कर रहे या तो कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर कर रहे. Okay, that means what we have to find? We have to find probability C. What we have to find? Probability C. Okay, probability A intersection B complement plus probability A complement intersection B. क्योंकि या तो वो कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर करेगा या तो वो पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर करेगा. तो अगर कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर करेगा तो पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर नहीं करेगा, पिज़्ज़ा ऑर्डर करेगा तो कोल्ड ड्रिंक ऑर्डर नहीं करेगा. तो जो भी ऑर्डर नहीं करेगा उसके लिए कॉम्प्लीमेंट और जो ऑर्डर करेगा उसके लिए विदाउट कॉम्प्लीमेंट. सो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी कॉम्प्लीमेंट फॉर्मूला प्रोबेबिलिटी ए माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. प्रोबेबिलिटी ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट इंटरसेक्शन बी फॉर्मूला प्रोबेबिलिटी बी माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. जिसके ऊपर कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं होता है वो आता है दूसरा ए इंटरसेक्शन बी आता है. सो अगेन द वैल्यूज आर गिवन टू अस. ए इंटरसेक्शन बी वैल्यू इज नॉट गिवन टू अस. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू पुट द फार्मूला ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी ए यूनियन बी. प्रोबेबिलिटी ए प्लस प्रोबेबिलिटी बी माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. ओके, प्रोबेबिलिटी ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, अगेन दिस विल मूव दैट साइड, प्रोबेबिलिटी ए यूनियन बी विल कम दिस साइड. तो ये जो भी इस साइड मूव होगा वो माइनस में आ जाएगा एंड माइनस विल मूव दैट साइड, इट विल बिकम प्लस. सो 0.63 प्लस 0.54 माइनस 0.88. द आंसर इज 0.29. दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी? 0.29. तो ये वी गॉट द वैल्यू. ओके, प्लस अगर दोनों में से कोई भी एक चीज़ अगर सिलेक्ट हो रहा है, सी द फार्मूला परफेक्टली. प्रोबेबिलिटी सी इक्वल्स टू probability A intersection B complement plus probability A complement intersection B. What will be the formula? Probability A minus probability A intersection B plus probability B minus probability A intersection B. All the values we are having, put the brackets. First solve the bracket one, then add the answer. Probability A, find probability A union B union C using the following information about three events A, B and C in a sample space. Now probability A value, B value, C value is given to us. A intersection B, A intersection C, A B intersection C, probability A intersection B intersection C. All the values are given to us. Now what we have to find? Probability A union B union C. Now first by heart the formula. Probability A union B union C equals to probability A plus probability B plus probability C minus probability A intersection B minus probability A intersection C minus probability B intersection C plus probability A intersection B intersection C. Okay. Put the values, you will be getting the answer. Thank you.